YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video. Hey, man, you see the title, see the thumbnail, man. Hey, man, we about to get these brakes done on them Chevy Impala, man. And also, man, we gonna take a look at this. Show y'all here right quick. Take a look at this Impala, man. We're gonna get this headlight restoration kit. You gonna see how well it works, as y'all can see, man. In the camera, looking pretty oxidation. You know what I'm saying? A lot of oxidation on here. You know what I mean? You gotta get that cleaned up, man. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, man, y'all stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, man, to the channel, man, and let's get to it. All right, YouTube, we back. Got the caliper off. Got the part of the caliper off. You feel me? Looking at the old brake pads, man. These old cheap brake pads, man. Got the carbon metallics right now. You know what I'm saying? Give me a little bit less dust, you know what I'm saying? I had these brake pads probably for about a good 3 years when I bought the car. I started them on the front, but I ain't installed them on the rear because these pads still had some life. But now after 3 years, they're getting down to the nitty-gritty. But one thing I do for sure, like these little metal pins, man, I take those off, man. Even though they're supposed to detect you when your brake pad is getting low. But the problem is people who ride on them, keep riding on it, this metal piece will start digging into the rotor, man. Then you end up have to change the rotor. So I always pop these off on the new ones, you know what I'm saying? Pop them off, or get them, just basically just take some pliers and just pull that off both sides. And we should be good to go, man. We're gonna spray these up. Also, man, look at this. Why is a hole in there, man? Why is a hole in there? I know why. Cause this car was originally gonna get an all-wheel drive system, man. Like I said before, man, they was gonna put an all-wheel drive system on the Impala, man. Like I said, these same brakes is for the Malibu, these same brakes for the LaCrosse, which is LaCrosse and the Cadillac, all got the same system, man. So you basically ready to go. Crazy, man. But all right, man, let me go ahead and install these, put these on, throw some brake lube on, respray these motherfuckers, and then I might throw the 24s on, man. I might, man.
Young Nab, baby.
All right, YouTube, we almost done. Right now it's probably been an hour and 20 minutes. Like I said, the back's done. The back rear pad's done, just resprayed this, waiting for it dry by another about 2-3 more minutes. But I come to find out, I got another Cadillac converter. I know about the one right here, right there. Know about that one, and the one I replaced right here. Boom. But I didn't know it was another one right here, man. Ain't that a bitch, man? Shit. So I know next time. Yeah, that right there. See if I can focus right quick. That right there, man. Another Cadillac converter, man. Look like the same, but it's a tad bit smaller than the one in the front. It could be the same size. Man, yeah, I did not know that, man. 3 Cadillac converters on this. For a V6, that's crazy, man. But yeah, we almost done. We're ready to mount up the other 24, and after that, we're gonna see what these headlights talking about, man. All right, gonna see what these headlights talking about. All right, YouTube, we back. I gotta knock this out just in case of some rain come, but right now I'm only gonna do these 2. Then I'll do the 3rd one, my other one, last. So first thing first, mask off, clean all this off. You know what I'm saying? Mask it off, dry it off. Then we're gonna go ahead and use this oxidation remover. So this use a scrubbing motion, so we're gonna use a scrubbing motion. Scrub. Alright. I'm gonna go see how yellow this is. I'm gonna go to the other side. My bad with the camera. Alright, a little dirty. We're gonna open it up. Scrub some more. Alright, go back over here. I'm gonna get some more up top. Most of my oxidation on this car is on top. Definitely gonna make sure I wax this one when I'm done. Probably next week or something, so I can keep it protected from the elements and the sun. All right, man. See how dirty this is. Real dirty. What they want us to do next, man. Let's see here. All right, so they want us to rinse next, man. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse this shit off. All right, got a little water bottle. We're gonna rinse. So we're gonna dry that off. All right, after that, all that's dry, you wanna make sure you go ahead and get your sanding pad. Boom, 1000 grit. Got a 1000, 2000, 3000. You wanna make sure that when you sand it, use either a left and right or up and down motion. No circular motion doing none of this process. And you do it for about 3 or 4 minutes. You're gonna need some water too. Also, need water also. Gonna wet the pad, and we're gonna wet the headlight. Yeah, I know, but you wanna rinse all that other stuff off first. You know what I'm saying, you're gonna wet the pad. Pad wet, up and down motion. Just say a light up and down motion. We're gonna go up and down. If it gets dry, just add more water to it. Add some more water to it. So I'm gonna do these 3 steps. I'm gonna show you what it look like when it's done. All right, this is after 2000 grit. Still gotta do the 3000. You know what I mean? Don't worry about all this. It's just dried up sand, paper. That'll wipe off. But yeah, it's 2000, about to do 3000. But like I said, in between ones, you always want to rinse it off after you're done sanding. Start fresh with a new pad. All right. It's still lightweight air drying, but it's how it should look after you've been done sanding everything down. Should be cloudy look. See how the this one, like I said, I ain't touched this one yet, so obviously y'all know it wasn't that bad, but this how it should look.
It look even horrible off camera. Trust me, it's horrible off camera. On camera, it don't look that bad, but on camera, it looks okay. Well, it looks bad, but let me tell you right now, looking at the naked eye, it look worse than what y'all see. So yeah, we about to go ahead and do the last step, which is applying the ceramic headlight coating, man. You know what I'm saying?
Young Nab, baby.
So with this important step, what they say here, let y'all want to read it. I'm gonna get the light off y'all. Y'all want to read it, but ensure the headlight lens is completely dry prior to proceeding. Ensure you are applying in a well ventilated air, but free from wind or high air flow. With little to no pressure, gently wipe the ceramic headlight coating. Ceramic headlight coating, wipe evenly across the length of the headlight lens from top to bottom. Carefully wipe in a single direction using a 50% overlap pass technique. Only apply a single coat. Any ceramic headlight coating encounters adjacent untaped surfaces, wipe off immediately. Repeat the process with the second wipe on the other headlight. Allow to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving or exposure to moisture. Remove masking tape once coating is completely dry. So we're done. All I have to do is put the coating on. We're good to go. So we go ahead and unpackage this and do the last step. All right, man, we're gonna knock this headlight, man. So all right, from the top to bottom, man. So what we're gonna do is, all right. My bad with the camera, y'all. I'm trying to make sure I'm doing this right. Let me make sure we get it real good. Anything I missed, man. My bad with the camera, man. So make sure I'm trying to get all the areas. Anything I miss. Let me tell you right now, I look a lot better though. Got the sandy marks out. Like I said, if anything you didn't get is probably behind the lens on the other side, so don't be too anal.
Young Nab, baby.
We're just only doing the outside, so you got marks and stuff on the inside. It's not gonna work. All right, gonna do this one. Cut y'all back on. No, I'm just gonna leave y'all alone, man. Let me unfold this right quick. Say it want to go down, but this up here I gotta go sideways. So sideways. All right. Yeah, it's definitely coming out real good, man. So let me put my camera down so I can get these last parts. All right. All right, I'm done wiping. Oh shit. All right, I'm done wiping. Y'all see, came out super clean, man. Super clean. No more of them white pitted marks from before. I'm gonna do the before and after. All right, do the before and after. Look how good that looks, though, man. The yellow oxidation is gone. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm definitely give this a from 1 out of 10. I'm giving this a 9 for sure. As long as you do the steps correctly, man. Definitely giving this a 9, man. This looks good, man. Really looks good.
said let that dry for 60 minutes, man. So if I'm let that dry for 60 minutes, I'm gonna do this one. And I'm probably gonna end up doing my cornering lights on my Riviera. So for the last of the 2 pads I got. So like I said, this is brand new. Don't gotta mess with that one, but I will recommend y'all for sure, once this dry, days go by, probably like, man, once a month, man, wax your headlights, man. Yeah, throw a coat of wax on them, especially if it's outside in the sun. You know what I mean? Wax your headlights, man. I do that all the time, wax my headlights, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially because they want the front of the car, man, so you want to protect it from bugs hitting it, that create scratch marks and light paint marks and all that stuff. Not paint marks, but light scratches. I always throw a coat of wax on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut y'all off. Y'all see, you got the foes on. And y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel, y'all. All right, man. Peace.